So this is just a civilian. Is the ambulatory? We're looking at a basket. Any injuries that you can see, or have you guys made contact with him? Yeah, he's obviously got a laceration to his head. No KO. He's talking to us. He's awake alert. He understands everything. So we just need the water to get up here, I think. Okay, copy that. Hey, can we try direct on 52? I'm getting a lot of static. Let's switch that real quick.
Command 5-5 from search and rescue team on 52 direct. You want us to come down, top down?
If you take it slow, you can just go up the reverse way. There's not too much traffic right now. I think we'll be okay.
I would. Yeah, we can have Mike ask him.